What did he say?
Nothing, because he has nothing to say.
I'm just going to play the devil's advocate here. This is a lot.
Okay, I think we played devil's advocate enough.
We've
all reached out, we all tried, and honestly, like, there's not going to be any progress here if we don't just close this chapter right now. Oh my god, so dramatic.
And I don't even understand how we got into the exploit that you can't think clear. Blaming me instead of the fear. Oh man, what a mess here. The shit only happens to me. If it was up to me, I'd go and pick up every piece you placed down so strategically and save us again. Laid us down to sleep is what you did. Now you cry to me on the last bridge you saved, but it's too late. Oh, you can never say that I just went away while you're trapped in your mess of it all. And there's an older May that would love to stay, make us a diamond out of some crystals. They said what you did or did what you say you would, then I know we'd be okay. I flew across the world to see those eyes of pearls, but you don't know that around me. I just wanna breathe, sit down, have you admit to me all the reasons you're guilty and hiding in shame. Sent me out to space, asked for more, now you cry to me on the last bridge you saved. Now it's too late. Oh, you can never say that I just went away while you're trapped in your mess of it all. And there's an older May that would love to stay, make us a diamond out of some crystals. If it was up to me, I'd go and pick up every piece you placed down so strategically and save us again. Laid us down to sleep is what you did. Now you cry to me on the last bridge you saved, but it's too late.
Oh, somebody else is calling me. I'll call you back later.
Okay. So, what do I do now?
You just leave it alone and you move on.